Good morning, student. How are you all? I hope you are all healthy and safe at home. Yes. So now let us start today's class. That is lesson number 5. Way around our neighborhood. Yes. We have already started this chapter. And today, what are the things we are going to learn? Today, we are going to discuss about compass and its uses and how actually a compass works. Yes, all these things we are going to learn, and please write down today's date in your copy. Yes, so let us move ahead and see the major concept which we have already discussed in this chapter. So the first thing was there are 4 major directions: east, west, north and south. Yes, and there were 4 sub directions as well. Yes, northeast, southwest, then northwest and southeast. Yes, these were 4 major sub direction. And what are the uses of these directions and sub directions, students? Yes, these direction and sub directions help us to know places in our neighborhood, and not only in our neighborhood, student, they help us to read our map of our city, our district, state, country. Yes, so that is the use and role of maps, directions. Okay, so let us move ahead. Compass. Yes, what is this compass? Compass is actually a magnetic instrument which is used to find direction on the surface of earth. Okay, so see here, this is compass. Okay, and if you can see here nicely, you will see it is having needles. Yes, one of the needle, this one, the red one, and another is white. Its needle always point towards north-south direction. That means the red one is always pointing toward north, and the opposite one will be of course south. So it always points toward north-south direction, and since it points toward north-south direction, it helps us to find directions. Okay, especially in ships. They use compass to find direction. If you know one direction, that means, see here, if you know that this direction is, if you know that this particular direction is north, okay, so opposite one will be south, isn't it? And we also know that our right hand is south and left hand faces north. That means this one will be east here. Okay, and the opposite of east will be west. So if we know one direction, very easily we can find out the other direction, and it will help us, it will save us if we are lost either in some forest, yes, or in ship. When you are going for a long, when sailors are going for a long journey, that time they use compass. Okay, it is north pole, another pole is south pole. Are you aware of this word, north pole and south pole? I hope you may have heard the south pole. Santa Claus is coming from south pole, I think, isn't it? That was just for fun. Okay, so this is the reason compass is working. Okay, so now let us move ahead to some of the things here in your book. See here, map of Western India is shown here. Okay, now find out the state north of Gujarat. This is Gujarat here, and north of Gujarat. North means moving upward. So which state is moving just above of Gujarat? That is Rajasthan. So here answer will come Rajasthan. Okay, and now the state south of Madhya Pradesh. This is Madhya Pradesh. Then south of Madhya Pradesh, south means going down. So down which will be there? Maharashtra will be there. Okay, so here Maharashtra will be there. So this was the thing. Now let us do 1 or 2 workbook questions. Okay, see here, when you face rising sun, the direction is west. No, that direction is east. So here it will be false, isn't it? The direction help us to know the places in neighborhood. True or false? It is true. Yes. Then next one is direction do not help us to read map. It is false. Yes. When you face the rising sun, the direction behind you is south? No. East is there, then the opposite direction will be west. So here it is also false. Yes, false, false. First one was false and second one was true. Okay, so this was there. Now let us move ahead and see this question. Question number 12. Ashif is looking at sunset. What is the direction behind him? He's looking at sunset. See, don't get confused. It's not sunrise. It is sun setting. Sun rises in east and sun sets in the west. Okay, so he's looking at sunset. The sun is setting in west. He is facing west. So opposite will be east. So answer number A will be east. And B, what direction is to his left? Left hand faces, yes, he is facing sun, just opposite now, he is facing west. So if the person is facing west, that time his left hand will be south, yes, and the right hand will be north, since he is facing that way. Okay, just opposite, don't get confused. When you are facing east, that time your right hand is south, your left hand is north. But when you move opposite, you are facing west, that time what will happen? Your right hand will face north and your left hand will face south. Okay, now if Aritz turn around, what direction will he be facing? Turning around, he is moving around, that time he will be facing east. Why? Because right now he is facing sun, that is sunset. Sunsets in west. So if he turn around, then he will be facing, okay, then he will be facing east. And what will be the direction to his right? Now since he is turning, so his right will be south. Correct. Try to do it practically, student. That time it will be clearer to you. Okay. Whenever you are facing east, remember this one. Whenever you are facing east, if you are facing east, right hand is south, left hand is north. Okay, and your back become west. And if you turn about, when you are facing west, your right hand become north, your left hand becomes south. Correct? It is a bit confusing, student, but try to do it practically. That time you are not going to forget. Down. How you can find direction with the help of sun at sunrise. The direction you are facing is east. Here it will come east. Okay, E-A-S-T, east. Okay, B, your left hand points toward north. I told you now, left hand, when you are facing east, your left hand will face toward north and your right hand will face toward your south, and the direction behind you will be your west. Okay, stop here, and in our next class we are going to complete our workbook. Okay, so let us revise what are the things we have learned. We have learned about compass. Compass is a magnetic instrument, isn't it? And how does it help us? It helps us in finding direction. Especially sailors use it in ships. Yes, and how it is working? It works because its needle is having a magnet, okay? And our earth itself is a very big magnet with a strong magnetic force. So, and what is the property of magnet? It always attracts magnet, okay? Poles that you are going to learn in your higher classes. But for now, it must be clear to you, compass works because its needle is having a magnet, okay? And earth itself is a big magnet. So, always the needle of magnet reflects toward the north direction. North, if it is facing north, the opposite will be south. That's why in book it is written north-south direction. Clear? If you know one direction, north-south, if you know, very easily you can find east and west, and thus it can save you from getting lost in a place. Okay, so for now let us stop here. Bye bye.